I've got a red button here and it says do not press. Oops. Hi, I'm Matt and this is Tech. I've recently ordered some buttons and I have a really nice red one. But before I go to the demonstration of a red button turning on and turning off my computer, which is silly, and if you're interested I might even do that tutorial, I'm gonna tell you a story about a misplaced order. So I needed a button, a toggle, a switch like that. Actually I needed 6 of them. They were shipping in 5 per lot. So I've requested 6 to be sent to me, and this happened. Yeah. Expect tutorials with toggles. A lot of them. Expect a lot of tutorials with toggles. Now, I've got 30 of them right now. But anyway, so since I've got 30 of them, I figure out 6 of them are going for the project that they were intended to go, which is this. And other, well, I'm gonna come up with something. And the first thing when I was testing the button was an emergency button for my computer, which works over the Wi-Fi. So let me position the camera so you could see everything better. So without further ado, let's arm the button and let's turn it on. If the microphone is picking this up, it means you should hear the computer behind me booting up. Now, it was in a sleep mode because I'd rather have it in sleep than completely powered off, because otherwise I won't be able to wake it up. So for this instance, when I'm turning off the button, the computer goes to sleep. But you could also hardwire it directly to the case to put it to power it down or power it off. It depends really. It's I was tempted for a while just to mount one of the buttons since I've got so many of them and embedded it permanently into my desk, which maybe I'll do. I don't know. Let me know if you want to see the tutorial about it, and if you're interested how it works, let me put the computer to sleep. So all I have to do is just to flip the security cover, and the computer behind me goes to sleep back again, and I can wake it up from different sources. Now, there's no secret in here. It's just a button and ESP wired together, which gives you this effect. If you're interested how it works, just let me know in the tutorial section, and I'll write a full tutorial for it. Otherwise, it's gonna be just a silly old story with me, 30 buttons, and one panic kind of wake up button for the PC. Thanks for watching, guys, and I guess I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.